Alright, I'm gonna make this quick. I've done so many videos on bad packing, and I don't order a lot of stuff. I'm getting out of this stuff pretty quick and basically doing my own. So anyway, this box came and I kind of knew what it was, this big box here, and this is actually a Tram D201A Grey channel selector I bought. And they put it in a nice big box. Peanuts, I'm not a fan of peanuts, but not too bad, especially the size of the box they shipped it in. And then we got some bubble wrap here, and that's a good thing. So quickly we're gonna see if we can open it with one hand or use my other hand and get this thing out of here. I'm gonna put the camera down and open this thing up. They got it taped up with the bubble wrap. Unwrap with my bubble wrap, and then they got it wrapped in plastic too. So it was fairly clean, a nice Tram D201 small gray channel selector switch. With these, that's the 40 channel selector or crystal board out of a D201A. And the gray is good, whether it's a small or the big one. The gray is good, black is bad. So pretty happy with that. So when you pack something, don't put it in a too small box and no bubble wrap and all that. That's the way to pack. Yay, we give 5 stars for that one. Anyway, that's it for this one. Bye.